What is your name?
My name is Sahiba.
Sahiba.
Yeah.
My name is Teacher Meg. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I am from Ireland.
Oh, wow.
Where are you from?
I am from India.
Wow, very interesting.
Yeah.
Cool. And how old are you?
I am 17 years old.
Wow, very good.
Yeah.
Excellent. And how long have you been studying English?
Before 6 years ago.
6 years ago.
Yes.
Very good. Excellent. Your English sounds good.
Thank you.
Have you traveled anywhere? Have you went to different countries?
No.
No. Okay. Very good. And
Yeah.
would you like to?
I want to America.
You would like to go to America? Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Only America or?
Yeah. Other place, England.
Okay, great. Excellent. Yeah. Very good.
Yeah, 2 countries.
And where else would you like to maybe go to? Let me think. Spain?
Yeah.
Very good. So tell me, what are your hobbies?
I like painting. I like reading as well. And
Great.
Cooking.
Great. And do you cook a lot?
Yes.
Wow, excellent. And what do you like to cook the most? What is your favorite dish?
My favorite dish is biryani.
Okay, and what is this?
Actually, biryani is the most famous dish in my country.
Okay, so it's
rice.
Rice.
Like rice. Yeah.
Okay, and do you put what kind of spices do you put in it? I really like Indian food, so I'm asking if I could make it maybe.
Okay. You learn from YouTube.
Okay, so can you send me the name of this dish?
Yeah.
Chicken. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll definitely look this up.
Yeah.
Really...
Biryani is so delicious dish.
Yes, it looks really nice. I just looked on Google. It looks delicious.
Yeah, yes.
And do you make this often? Do you make it many times a week or?
I make for a special day. I mean, in Eid, in marriage, in party.
Okay, so it's a special dish you make for celebrations, yes?
Yes, celebration.
Okay, very good. And what do you cook every day? What do you make every day for yourself?
Vegetables.
Very
and
good.
Rice and chapatis.
Well, very nice. Excellent. Yeah. It sounds very healthy and very nice.
Yeah. What about you?
What do I cook or what am I? Oh, I cook
every day.
Every day, a lot of rice. I like rice. I cook a lot of vegetables. I cook turkey, sometimes chicken. What else? Maybe noodles. Do you know noodles?
Yes, I know.
Yes. I like all different kinds of cuisines of foods from different countries.
Yeah.
So I like to try new things.
What's your favorite dish?
My favorite dish? It's very hard to pick just one. I think maybe pad thai. Pad thai, do you know this? It's a noodle dish.
Thai.
It's
Sorry?
Malaysian. It's Malaysian food. So it's pad thai. It has noodles. It has vegetables.
Mm-hmm. You
could put prawns in it, or beef, or chicken.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Do you like seafood?
Yes, I do. I like most fish. Maybe not
only fish?
Sometimes. I'm not. I like it one week, and then maybe next week I'm like, oh no, I don't want it.
Okay.
And do you eat a lot of fish, or?
Once time I eat.
Once a week, or
Once.
only? Oh, once a week.
Yeah.
Okay, so once a week I eat fish. Once a week I eat fish.
Yeah. Actually, I don't like fish.
Oh, maybe prawns? Do you know prawns? They're different, I think. Yeah, no problem.
I don't know.
You don't know these? Prawns,
No.
it's, one moment, I'll show you here. It's like this. I will show you now. Just one moment, I'm sharing my screen with you.
Okay.
Here you go. They're like this. So, have you ate these before?
What is this?
A prawn. A prawn. So it's a type of fish.
Oh my God, seafood?
Yes. This is what it looks like.
Oh my God. Insects. I'm very scared in these things.
It's a type of fish that lives under the sea that people eat, and it's usually quite expensive to get because it tastes really nice. It kind of tastes like chicken, very similar to chicken.
Yeah. So this dish is delicious?
Oh, very nice. Very, very nice. And there are, here in Ireland, sometimes we make prawn curries. So we can make curry that has this kind of fish in it. It's really good. If you cook it right, it tastes nice.
Yeah. Okay.
Prawn.
Prawns. Okay.
You should try it. You might like it. It looks scary.
Yeah.
You don't get them with their eyes and all the weird things that come with it.
Oh my God. Okay. So actually,
do you like cod or sea bass? What kind?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So whitefish, yes?
Whitefish.
Whitefish.
Yeah.
Very good. Fish is cod. The whitefish is cod.
Mm-hmm.
Very good. Our time is actually going to run up. I don't know how. We have 30 seconds. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. It was nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I hope to see you again soon.
Yeah. Good.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Welcome. You're welcome.
I will see you soon.
Okay.
Goodbye.
So,